If you don't like sewing all 4 mitered corners first, you might like one of these 2 shortcuts. First, cut out your square or rectangle and have it wrong side up. Decide on the width of your hem, double it, then mark that amount from the edge on all sides. Here, I want a 1/2 inch wide hem, so I'm marking 1 inch from all the edges. Fold each corner square so that the outer point matches the inner point and press. Fold again along that inner corner so that the outer corners match the lines and press again. Pin in the center from the inner edge. Repeat for all the corners. Fold up the side so that the edge lines up with the mark and press. Fold again along the mark and press. The corners should meet up with the edges underneath. Fold and press the next side and remove the pin. The corners and edges should meet, creating a nice mitered corner, then clip in place. Repeat on all sides. Start your stitching on the inside of this corner. Have the fold in line with the inside edge of the foot. Hold on to both thread tails and start with the back tack. Stitch until you get to the open seam, have your needle down, lift your foot and pivot. Again, make sure this fold is in line with the edge of the foot and continue stitching all around. When you get back to the starting point, just pivot, back tack on top, and trim your threads. For the second method, start a few inches above the bottom corner, fold and press the side. Follow the line along the bottom to the side, fold up the side until it meets the line and you have a 45-degree angle, then give it a press. Fold up the bottom edge to match the line and press. Carefully fold again so that this corner meets up with the side. Press and clip in place, then repeat with one more side. Start by back tacking from this inner corner again and stitch around. Pivot when you get to the folded angle. Now I didn't clip all the sides just to show you that you can sew these edges and corners without any pressing or clipping first. Of course, marking the lines really helps, and having a nice pointy tool really helps. These methods will save you a bit of time and thread. Great way to sew things such as napkins, hankies, and sheets. Whether you like these methods or not, let me know down in the comments. Thanks again for watching, and if you haven't seen my tutorial on how to hem sheer fabrics, make sure to have a look up next.